Hey guys, Max is coming tomorrow. He was out of station for quite some time. He's gonna be here for a week, so मेरे को कुछ cleaning करना है. So yeah, let's see how everything goes. That's gonna be the vlog today. Hope you like it. So as you have seen that I cleaned the house and everything, now I have these flowers with me. Excuse me, please. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare a bouquet for him. I got some yellow, I got some reds and some purples, okay? And these all I got from my garden. I'm gonna prepare a bouquet for him and see how it looks like. Let's see what's his reaction after receiving the bouquet. If he likes it, he will like it. I don't know. It's the first time I'm preparing a bouquet using my own garden flowers. So let's see how it turns out, and I'm gonna obviously share it with you. No, cancel. This is the pin. The best I could do is maybe I can take a picture of this. That's all. Because ये पूरा litter कर देगा घर. And then it's been bigger than the flower. इतना shed कर रहा है. अगर I give this to him, who's gonna clean the house after that? So reject this. Okay. So this is a disaster. Please don't try this, at least not with these flowers.